though we live very busy lives and bills have to get paid and things have to get taken care of, if I'm not taken care of and something happens which prevents me from taking care of those things because I did not take the time to listen to how I'm feeling or my needs, whether it's getting enough sleep, which is a form of self-care, exercising, working out, taking care of yourself and staying physically active is a form of self-care because you are allowing your body to move, and that is working with your lymphatic system, which is helping with pushing toxins and things like that out of the body. It's not just about being physically in shape, it's about doing again what makes you feel good, what makes the body feel good. Staying hydrated, which is a form of just overall wellness. Not pushing yourself too hard. It's one thing to push your limits. It's another thing to push yourself too hard, to be overworked, overbooked, over everything, which is going to cause burnout. Those who have experienced burnout, me being one of those people, it drains you severely and puts you in a place of not getting poured into. You're constantly pushing out things and not restoring your battery. After a while, what happens? A battery gets overworked, it stops working. We never want it to be that as the end result of anything, when we know what tools, what steps, and what things we can implement to mitigate even having to worry about something like that. So for today, I challenge you to think about those activities and things that really make you feel good, and think about how often you do those activities. If it's like a once a week thing, work your way up to making it twice a week thing, and then eventually pushing yourself to make it a daily activity. And it doesn't have to be those same things on a daily basis. You can switch it up. Maybe if you're somebody who gets bored easily, which I tend to be that kind of person, just writing down those activities and every day making it a goal to do at least one of them. Another thing is challenge yourself to do this for 21 days, which it takes 21 days to build a habit. So make a habit out of this practice and then assess how you feel in regards to your relationship with yourself. Do you feel more connected? Do you feel more in tune? Have you not been tapped into your intuition, and after doing this, you're way more tapped in than you were before? And then after that, take it to another level. If you've seen improvements on your relationship with yourself, look into your relationship with others and see if there were any improvements on how those interactions go. So again, remembering when people do things that are triggering to us, to take that time to just sit with yourself before you react and ask yourself, why does that bother me? What is it that is really the root of why I feel a way about what they said? And dive into that. Work your way towards having that relationship with yourself, having that accountability and desire to really understand who you are on a deeper level and how you can work your way to having a better relationship with yourself, which is all self-care is about. As you take that step and you explore that challenge of self-care, if you have any questions, you want to learn more, any comments, anything to add, just let me know in the comments and tell me what your thoughts are. And thank you for tuning in with me. Much love and peace.